a role, do you do any kind of research and then go for an audition, or do you just walk in for the audition and give your best?
Research and all, not really, because I've just done like Kali as of now, and you know Kali, the role I was playing Paki was not really that research kind of thing. It was like a very bubbly character, you know, that sweet little cute girl who then grows up after her brother died and stuff. So no, I just tell the casting director or the person who is taking the audition to just brief me about the character, and like then I just
Okay, so then you just go for it. Yeah, that's fine.
yeah. I don't think butterfly because I cannot butterfly. I need to find my own space. I read the script like 2-3 times aram se, and then I'm like, okay, I'm prepared, and then I go.
Tell us, how did you beg the role in Kali?
Begging a role in Kali was very surprising. I don't know how it just happened. Actually, a dream come true because my casting director Dimpy, we didn't know each other at all. I didn't know anyone from the industry, nothing at all. And she saw me on Facebook. I don't know how did she see me on Facebook, but she saw me on Facebook. She stalked me. She saw my pictures and all, and then she messaged me that I'm this. Can you like just come down for an audition? So I was like, why out of so many girls is she messaging me and telling me just come down for an audition? So I was like, I didn't actually reply to her the first day, and then I was like, okay, like I can just try for it. So then I messaged her back. She gave me a number, and then the next day I dropped into Shakilpur of Televisions, and I auditioned. First take was very bad because it was my first audition ever. So then second take, third take, and then she was like, yeah, it was very nice. And I was like, okay. I actually done a dance class and all, so then I called her, what is it? I'm very excited for it. Then she told me, I just bagged it. And I was like, oh wow. So then after, I guess 3 months, we started shooting.
As an audience, which is your, favorite television show, and who's your favorite television actor?
My favorite television show? There are many actually. I used to love all those dance-based shows, Dance India Dance, Nach Baliye and all. And I used to also like Din Mil Gaye because it was a romantic show and I used to just love it. And my favorite TV star was Karan Singh.
So let's move on to talking about Bollywood. So any recent offbeat movie which you love?
See, actually I'm a movie freak. I love watching movies. I can watch like any kind of movies. The last movie I saw was Mere Dad Ki Maruti, which was awesome. And seeing Ram Kapoor in this kind of a character was really, really nice. I just loved it.
So moving on to our next question, what appeals Aneri in a character when after auditioning she feels like she has to go for this role?
Very bubbly, and I just have to just talk. I can't keep quiet and stuff. So while I was doing Kali and I auditioned for Paki, she was exactly like Aneri. Like she was like the spoiled brat of the family. She used to hate walking in the kitchen and stuff like that. So when I auditioned for Paki, I exactly knew that this role is meant for me. It was just the name was different, but Paki was just exactly like Aneri.
Okay.
So yeah, that and right now I'm not really auditioning for a lot of things because my exams are going on and all. But then auditioning for Kali and Paki was like perfect.
Perfect. So you thought this role is perfect.
Perfect for me because I was exactly like Paki.
Okay.
My mom used to pamper me, and my daddy and all, just perfectly like that. And then when Paki falls in love, so it was exactly how I wanted that. She should just fall like that, and her those magic moments, the dance thing that we did, Ishq Wala Love and all.
Okay. So now that your serial Kali has ended, where can the audience see you next?
As of now, there are no plans. But yeah, I've been auditioning for something. Yeah, something. So if it clicks, so maybe there.
So can you tell us more about that something?
Something is really not finalized, so I don't really want to reveal it and then just. No, I think you all should just. When something is confirmed,
we should wait and watch.
Yeah, just wait and watch. If something is confirmed, I'll definitely tell you.
Okay, definitely.
Like, pakka, I will buzz you and tell you. Then you can just tell it to other fans. Yeah, very soon. Something. If the day I get to know that okay, I am in that, I shall call in that TV forums and tell them.
So every girl likes compliments. I mean, every human being likes compliments. So which one is the sweetest compliment you have received to date by a co-star and a fan?
Anshul, Deepak, Roma, like my co-stars, and Kali, they all used to find me very cute. Actually, I was the baby of the set, so I was like the most pampered baby on the set.
Okay.
They used to take me out for dinner, lunch, whenever I used to just take me out and all. So they used to find me very, very cute because I was like
I guess because you were the young.
the youngest
one
there, and they were all like they used to really be there for me, and then they used to find very cute. So this is what is pull my cheeks and they're so cute, so cute, so cute. Yeah.
Okay. And what about the sweetest compliment from a fan?
From a fan. I had not really expected that I'd have fans and stuff. But then because I am on Twitter and all, Facebook and all, so they follow my page, they follow me on Twitter, and they keep telling me that they watch Kali because I'm there in Kali. And some fans had really expected that I might do because when I signed, I was a baby in the serial, like a small Paki, and then suddenly I just grow up and all. So they loved that. That phase, that little phase where Paki grows up into a big girl and helps her mom and all. So they loved my chemistry between my mom and myself. And then they used to one fan from New Zealand. He just used to tweet me on Twitter and keep telling me that he watches Kali for me. Yeah, and then that he sees the serial just for me from New Zealand, and he's not allowed to see TV and stuff. So it was like so cute, and I was like, oh my god, even I can have fans.
So talking about your fans and all, is there any special message which you'd like to give to your fans and to Fuse Magazine?
For my fans, thank you so much for loving me as Paki. I hope that you'll keep loving me and loving me and loving me. And for bearing me on TV, I didn't really feel that you all really like me and all, but I'm glad that you like me. Thank you so much. And for Fuse, thank you so much for coming here and making my birthday so special. I wasn't really expecting that my 20th birthday will be with you all. But then, yeah, you actually made it very special for me. Thank you so much for coming and making it so special. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And the cake especially was very, very, very yummy.
So once again, Aneli, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
God bless you, and I am sure our fans will have a great time reading your interview.
I hope so.
Your interview. So congratulations and thanks a lot.
Thank you.